Hello, I'm Sabrina, completion coach here at Crafton Hills College, and today we're going to be going over how to access your online classes, or in other words, logging into your campus account. First, we are going to go to craftonhills.edu, then go to Logins and click Canvas. You're going to use the same username and password as your self-service account. Then, if you have a security setup, it may send you a 10-digit code, which you will have to type in to get logged in. Now, if you're on your phone, first you are going to have to download the app, which is available on all phones, including Android and iOS. Then, when you go to log in, note you will not find Crafton. Instead, we're going to be listed under San Bernardino Community College District when you are looking for the school's URL to get to your login portal. Then you're going to log in with the same username and password as self-service, like if you're logging in on the computer as well. If you need any assistance, you can reach out to a completion coach at 909-389-3399 or follow the QR codes for online assistance.